put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for. Put you in a man somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change that last name, what's happening? Cause you look so good, tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby, I want you in the back just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she out.
Hey everyone, I haven't been vlogging too much just because there's been a stunt on the apartment renovation kind of thing, or moving in. So we're waiting on the couch that should be here this week, sometime this week, which is exciting. And then this weekend my friends Izzy and Ava are coming up to visit. They opened everything up in Michigan, so they feel good to come visit now. And it's still like social distancing here still, but rooftop bars are open, restaurant outdoor seating is open, so we can do that kind of stuff. And they'll stay at my apartment. But when they come, they're gonna bring the tiles to tile the bed or living room TV stand. And I feel like right now, just that TV stand being unfinished, I don't even want to like look at the living room. They're also gonna bring all my plants because I've been missing those. So yeah, so right now it's like not much can happen. But once we get the couch and the TV stand, like, I feel like we're good. I have a really cute shower curtain coming. One day, it hasn't shipped yet. Jackson already hates it. I'll put a picture of it here. I've seen it on Pinterest so much, and I went from always wanting neutral everything to now I just want color. Okay, but I'm gonna eat breakfast. It's more like a snack because my stomach always hurts in the morning. So I just made a rice cake with almond butter and then some fruit and cinnamon. And then I have my second little latte of the day that I don't know if you guys have ever seen those stovetop espresso makers. I know in Italy we always use them, and my nonna and my mom uses them, but they're like 30 bucks on Amazon. That one's from Zara Home, but it's super cute. It's way cheaper than an espresso machine or an espresso machine, and no waste. So if you guys want espresso at home, highly recommend just a little stovetop espresso maker. We got a coffee grinder too. Every time I say that I think of the dance, but it's not here yet, so I had to use like regular Dunkin' grounds. But my mom is sending up this weekend our Italian coffee beans. So not that I'm picky, it still tastes so good. Ernie's pooped. We already went on our walk this morning. Hi, I'm being a good sister. Stop talking for a second. I'm being a good sister and letting my brother put one thing in the living room. Stop talking. Okay, let me talk. I'm being a good sister and letting my brother put one thing in the living room that he likes, which is this thing that I picked out for him. Sneakerhead. I'm gonna put it above that mirror right there. Got it off of Instagram. And when I'm saying I got it for him, I picked it out, sent my mom the link, and said get Jackson this for Christmas. Where's my dad? Everyone knows he's the handyman.
Smells great.
Yes, it is. Walk away from it.
Just kidding.
And it's a shoe.
Oh,
We're at
yeah.
a sneaker store.
Oh, it looks nice on camera.
Yeah, it's cute. I like that it's red. Yep, I love myself a good pair of Nike Cortezes.
Nothing like.
Air Force Ones. Why did you turn it off? What?
Well, I didn't know you were keeping this alive all night.
Why? It's cute. He hates his present.
That's why.
Now we're hanging our grandpa, our nonno, in the hallway. Our nonno. This is my hammer. Thanks, Kopari.
This is yours. You look at it, okay? You know it's supposed to be on the wall.
You can't even see. Well, I just hammered it in with this.
How do you pop it in with the hammer in it?
Perfect. You couldn't even tell it was hammered in with the deodorant. Cute. So right when you walk in our door, You turn the corner and my nonno is, this is just a shooting range target, but somebody stole them from the shooting range because they look so much like my nonno that we think it's funny. And now we have, need some deodorant, nonno? Okay. Excuse my red and puffy face, I was just crying. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that Ernie went down to the dog park this morning and my brother took him down peeing, and this lady let out her 2 little Yorkies, and you can see like who's out in the dog park before you let your dog out. And she let her 2 dogs out and they like kind of ran up under Ernie and were like sniffing his pee, and he was peeing, so he's vulnerable and stuff. So he gave out like a bark, like get off kind of thing. The lady freaked out. And Jackson said he like just hooked Ernie up and was getting ready to leave. She was like, that's not okay. Jackson was like, okay, like, yeah, you're right. Started walking towards the apartment and she was like, you can't live here with him. Dog park is a public one. And he goes, he's allowed to live here. He's emotional support. Like, it's fine. I already filmed this whole thing, but my computer deleted it and I was like, it's a sign, because I went psycho in the last clip. And she proceeded to say that she was just really scared of Ernie, and her sister had a pit bull and it killed a dog like that week. So she was scared of pit bulls, and Jackson was like, well, you saw him out here, why'd you let your dog out? And she just like ignored it, whatever. And Jackson said to her, like, whenever I see you coming, like I'll take Ernie out, and if I see you in here I won't put him in there, like fine, like nothing's gonna happen. She was like, well, I don't want my dogs to be the ones that something happens to. First of all, you selfish bitch, like, I don't want my dogs to be. And Jackson said, I don't want that either. I don't want any dogs for that to happen to. Like, but it's not gonna happen. He's good with dogs. Ernie is so good with dogs. He's always been amazing with dogs. Big, small, anything. Literally look at him right now. She said that she didn't want anything to happen to her dogs, and Jackson left, went upstairs. He told me this morning, and it really did like put me off, like the way she said he's not allowed to live here. Like, F you. And I was like, is this lady really gonna like call and try and ruin like my and Ernie's life of living here because she's scared of my dog? And literally we said like we won't let Ernie out when she's out. So I took Ernie on a walk, like, and it's been like 6 hours, and I get a call from the leasing office. Of course I know what it is. Or my leasing office called and said, oh, we're talking about the incident that happened in the park today. And I was like, oh yeah, my dog barked at a lady's dog, and she was like, yeah, like we just can't have that happening. And I was like, no, I totally get it. I was like, but nothing happened. I said she really freaked out. She has something against big dogs. And I was like, I didn't answer your first call because we were just down at the dog park. Ernie was playing with a 6-month-old puppy and another dog that was smaller than him. And they were all playing and they were all fine. And we were just down there. And she was like, yeah, but we just can't have that. And like, I'm not blaming the leasing office girl. Like, she obviously had to call me. But she said, we just can't have dogs attacking other dogs and their owners. Said, I totally get that, because that's like not what happened. I was like, he didn't attack, he barked once. Her dogs ran up, and I already told her, and my brother already told her that we're not gonna go in there when she's in there. I was like, it's settled. I don't get what she had to call. And the lady was like, no, I get it, like whatever. But it just really put me off that people are so ignorant and stupid. Makes me sad. Like her saying that, I doubt that even happened with her sister's dog or whatever. But if it happened with a golden retriever, killed a dog, it would be, that was a bad golden retriever. But because it was a pit, killed a dog, it's all pits are bad. People are so ignorant when it comes to pit bulls, and it just makes me want to strangle them. I literally, as soon as my brother said that, I was like, she's scared of Ernie when he's literally the sweetest, most gentle, terrified of everything. Like, he literally is so scared of everything. Like, he won't even go up to like people. He's just like this shy, perfect little boy. To say that he would attack somebody, and I know that it would be her word over mine because she has 2 little Yorkies, and it's always the pit is in the wrong. There's cameras down there, so if she tries to say anything else, we can look at the cameras. Her dogs aren't hurt because nothing happened. She's not hurt because nothing happened. Ernie's never bit a dog, tried to bite a dog, bit a person, tried to bite a person. Ernie play wrestles, yeah, but not with little dogs. He literally doesn't care about little dogs when they're out there. He's like, plays a little bit and then he's like, Mom, can we go outside? I'm like, sure. And it's like when it messes with my kid, I get really angry because I don't normally care about this stuff. Just people are so stupid and selfish. Like, she didn't think for a second about anyone but herself. Like, she's trying to get me kicked out so she isn't scared. Any other time it's at a dog park, when you go to a dog park, if you're uncomfortable, get up and leave. Like, why are you putting it on other people how your life is? That's so annoying. Anytime Ernie's getting like harassed by a dog at a dog park, and that's nothing against the dog or the dog park, every dog acts different with every dog. Like, you don't know how they're gonna act, they're dogs. So when Ernie is getting picked on and like I can tell he's uncomfortable and like he's shaking and stuff, I just get up and leave. Like, how hard is that? Don't let your dog out in the dog run if you see big dogs there and you're scared of them. Just go walk around the corner. It's not like there's nowhere for your dog to pee, and they're little dogs. Wait a few minutes. My dog will be out of there quick. I don't know, so annoying. So annoying. I hate people that don't use their brains. If I see her, I don't even know what she looks like. I need to find her Facebook and figure out what she looks like and end her. Ugh. I've never had so much hate for someone. So annoying. I'm ready to move to the top of the mountain and never talk to anyone again. Just me and Ernie and Brandon. And I know my brother's really nice, so he handled it probably way better than I would have. I would have started yelling and crying because I always cry when it comes to Ernie. But you guys, that was the main reason I wanted to get on. You guys came. Like, I posted on my Instagram. You guys just make me feel so much better. Like, I was literally like hyperventilating when I got that call, and then I put it on my story. This lady's an idiot, and you guys know Ernie. You see him in the vlogs all the time. He's the most perfect boy, and you guys just made me feel so much better that like you all have my back, because it really felt like for a second it was everyone against Ernie. And I hate that feeling. Such a baby for crying over this, but like I get freaked out and worried that like they could try and do something or like whatever. I would literally run away and move to a different country before they tried to take her anyway. I never thought I'd cry on camera, but when it comes to this, oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna adopt all the pit bulls in all of the humane societies, and I'm gonna move to the top of a mountain and have a pit bull farm and... not a farm. I won't let them reproduce. I'll get them all fixed. Everyone go to my GoFundMe so I can live out my dream. Okay, I need to stop crying. I just want to let you guys know how I'm feeling, and I know you guys would never do anything like that, but if you know people who are like that and discriminate against people, dogs, anything, call them out, because they're stupid and I want to punch them. I've never hurt a fly. I'm literally vegan. I won't kill animals, any bugs or anything, so me saying I would punch a woman in the face is a lot. But I would, for Ernie. If Ernie wanted to kill those dogs, he could have, and that's on period. Okay, bye.
How's the drive, you guys?
It's going really good. Why? I don't know how to drive in these streets.
Turn right, you go, you go.
I get so